between blacks and whites during the Harlem Renaissance, which is why to get into the Pride Club, we have a rapid bag test to see if your skin color matches the bag. If it doesn't, you will have to sit in the front row or at the table, and if it does, you'll have to sit in the back row. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Bill Bojangles Robinson. I was famous for my tap dancing and my dedication to dancing. I was the best tap dancer in the Harlem Renaissance. I put the tap and tap dancing. Come see me break it down, bro. Still in the girl.
Okay, Bo. Go ahead, Bojangles.
Do that again.
Lawrence.
Hi, I'm Florence Mills. I've been born in Washington, D.C., and my birthday is January 25th, 1895. I've been dancing since I was 3 years old. Watch me move and learn how to groove.
Hi, my name is Josephine Baker.